Right guys, welcome back. For this recipe we're gonna do chili oil, which is basically gonna have a garlic and a shrimp flavour into it. So the way we want to do that is we're gonna have the pot of oil here. In this one I've got 300 mils. I'm putting it in how much. What I'm gonna have in this one is I'm gonna have chili flakes slash chili powder. This is actually the hot one. It's imported from Thailand. What we've also got is we've got shrimps here. The shrimp that we've obviously got here is, you can see I've chopped up, but I've put what I'm putting in here is 20 grams, which is in here and it's being chopped. I've also got 5 cloves of garlic. Now with the garlic I haven't chopped it because it's going to go in the oil, and if we chop it small it's going to start burning. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the oil on. We're not going to bring it to the boil of course because it's just going to ruin everything, and we're going to leave it on until these start to go a bit brown. What we've also got is 25 grams of the chili flakes slash powder. We've got 1 teaspoon of salt in there. We're going to toast this one off in a pan, and that's going to get added to this at the end. We're also going to take the garlic out when it starts going brown, and we're going to start to chop it up because we want to keep that in the oil. So yeah, let's get ready. We've got this pot over here with 300 mils of vegetable oil. So in that we're going to put these 5 cloves of garlic. We're going to put them in there now before it heats up. We want to toast it. Obviously it's going to go dark brown, or if you start off and your oil is too hot in the beginning, it will just start going brown straight away. That's not a problem as long as you don't burn it, because as soon as you start burning garlic, it starts giving that bitterness. So if it does happen it's overcooking, take it out straight away, put fresh garlic in there. I am going to add a touch of oil in here, but I'm just going to let it heat up first. It just starts to toast a little bit. Now, because I don't want to have too much oil in the food, what we're going to do is, where we can see this is bubbling, what we're going to do is we're going to take 3 tablespoons of this oil and we're going to put it in here. Yeah, perfect. Because in a second, before we're finished, we're gonna take this off the fire in a second, but we're just gonna leave it a tiny bit longer. We've got the chili powder that we've put in here. So guys, this is exactly how you want it. This has been on the fire for like 6-7 minutes. Can you see it's still white, but it's cooking and the oil's warm. So that's the best way to infuse the flavour, because you're not burning it and everything. So now, see, this is starting to toast. You do want this to go a bit crunchy. I will have a few other recipes, because I know some people might be, he didn't put onions in it, he didn't put ginger in it. Different recipe calls for different ingredients. I'm going to take the garlic out now. I'm going to chop these up on a chopping board. Now what I'm going to do is put the shrimp in here. And again, you can see how the garlic was cooking up because it had the moisture in it. And basically what I mean by letting it go brown is it's cooking out the moisture. That's why you're seeing it bubble. Right guys, now that's the garlic. And here we've got the chili powder, the salt and the garlic. So we're going to add the hot oil to this. So be careful what you do this on, where you do this, and burning yourself. And make sure the oil is not too much for the pot, and add it in bit after bit. because when the oil hits this chili and that, depending if yours is too hot, it will bubble more and it can bubble out, go everywhere, splash back on you. So that's what I mean about the bubbling back. So now I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna add the shrimps in here. Alright, if you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe. If you've tried the same recipe, send me a picture on my social. Let me know what you've tried, if you've had to put something different in. And follow my channel, because we're going to have more chili oil recipe and chili recipes coming soon.